Good morning, class 3. So, as I told you that today we are going to study your chapter 3, that is keyboard. So, yesterday, I gave you some links, and if you would have seen that, you must have got an idea that what kind of keys are there, what is the function of the different keys on the keyboard, how many keys are there on the keyboard. So, you would have understood basically. सबसे पहली बात तो ये है दैट यू शुड नो कि कीबोर्ड है क्या, एंड आई एम वेरी श्योर दैट यू मस्ट बी नोइंग व्हाट इज़ अ कीबोर्ड. इट इज़ एन इनपुट डिवाइस. ओके, कीबोर्ड एक इनपुट डिवाइस है दैट वी यूज़ टू एंटर डिफरेंट काइंड्स ऑफ डेटा इनटू द कंप्यूटर. जैसे कॉपी या बुक में लिखने के लिए हम पेन या पेंसिल यूज़ करते हैं, राइट. टू राइट इन अ बुक और कॉपी वी यूज़ अ पेन और पेंसिल, बट टू राइट information, to give information to a computer, we use keyboard. Keyboard is an input device that we use to enter data in the computer. Fine. The keyboard has a number of keys on it. You can see here in the diagram, you can see the different kind of keys and they are mentioned, right, that what is the name of that key. यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो, यहाँ पे इतने सारे keys है और सबको mention किया गया है, right. So in this chapter we will learn the function of these keys. Okay, the keyboard has a number of keys on it which are arranged in rows or blocks. When you type a text or numbers by pressing the keys on the keyboard, you enter them into the computer. Yes, so when we press these, okay, on the keyboard, that automatically gets written on the computer screen, on the monitor. Fine. So these are the different kind of keys you can see. It is already here. These are the number keys. Okay, these are the function keys. This is the escape key. Fine. This is the tab key. This is the alphabet keys, all these. Okay, shift key is here. Sorry, I'll show you once again. This is the shift key here. Okay, and here. Fine. This is the caps lock key. These are the arrow keys. This is the backspace key. This is the enter key. Fine. So these are the different kind of keys. Okay, the keyboard has 5 different types of keys. These are function keys, number keys, alphabet keys, cursor keys, special keys. The keyboard has these 5 different types of keys. Okay, जिसको हम फंक्शन कीज़ कहते हैं, नंबर कीज़ कहते हैं, अल्फ़ाबेट कीज़ कहते हैं, कर्सर कीज़ कहते हैं और स्पेशल कीज़ कहते हैं. सो नाउ विल स्टार्ट रीडिंग अबाउट देम वन बाय वन. फंक्शन कीज़. ओके, फंक्शन कीज़. सो यू सी F1 till F12. Okay, these are your function keys. Okay, and this you will find at the top of the keyboard. Okay, these are present on the top of the keyboard. These are marked as F1, F2 up to F12. Okay, so these keys are marked from F1 to F12. Fine. These are used to perform special functions. This is why they are called function keys. So इन सब का special function होता है, सारे keys का एक special function होता है, ठीक है, and that is why they are called function keys. Like F1 is used to start Windows help. Okay, F1 जो है वो Windows help के लिए start होता है, Windows help के लिए use होता है. It is used for Windows help. Okay, now another one, number keys. Number keys is clear. Okay, from 1 to 0. Fine. From number 1, 2, 3, 4 till 0. There is no 10, there is 0. Okay, these are 2 sets of numbers. Yes, you will find them at 2 places. Okay, one at below the function keys and one more set is at the last of the keyboard. The first set is arranged just above the alphabet keys and is on the right side of the keyboard. This is called numeric keypad. If you want to use the numeric keypad, make sure that the numlock key just above the keypad is on. When the numlock key is on, there would be an indicator light glowing on the keyboard. Okay, so there is a button called numlock. Okay, numlock मतलब numbered lock. So if that is on, अगर वो on है, there is a key for that. Okay, just above the keyboard. अगर आप उसको press कर दोगे तो numlock on हो जाएगा. Fine. So when this key is on, you know there will be, so the numbers you will not be able to write. Okay, आप numbers नहीं लिख पाओगे अगर ये numlock key on है. Fine. So just click the numlock again. If it is on, then it will get off. वहाँ पे एक light, you know, a light is always blinking there. Okay, so when you will press it again, it will get off, and then you can start writing your number with the help of these numeric keypad. Okay, so that's how it works. Okay, so do you know that the letters on the keyboard are not arranged in alphabetical order? Yes, they are not arranged in alphabetical order. And I'm really sorry for my voice because I don't know, but I am suffering from cold. Okay, so please ignore that. So the letters on the keyboard, they are not arranged in alphabetical order. The keyboards used by us are also known as QWERTY keyboards, as the arrangement of the letters in the first row of the keyboard is in this order. So if you pay attention, you will see, I don't know if it's visible. So you will see that the first row of alphabet is QWERTY, and that is why this keyboard is also called as QWERTY keyboard. Okay, alright, now let's move forward. Alphabet keys. These are 26 alphabet keys on the computer keyboard. These keys are marked with letter A to Z. The alphabet keys are used to type different words on the computer screen. Both capital and small letters can be typed using the alphabet keys. So this is the alphabet keys. You know that QWERTY, if you see, it's not alphabetical, but you have all A to Z letters, and they are used for writing different kind of words or anything. Okay, just how we write with book or in the book with a pen or pencil, similarly in the keyboard we write with that alphabet keys. Okay, so you know, we can write in both capital and small letters. If we press the caps lock, then we will be able to write in capital letters, and if we stop the caps lock, we can, you know, stop writing in caps lock. And then there are other options as well, you know, in which we can write in different kind of formats, different kind of handwritings, but everything we can do with the help of these 26 alphabet keys. All right, then cursor control keys. Now let me show you something. I'll show you something. So do you see this blinking on my screen? Can you see this blinking? That's the cursor. All right, that's the cursor. A cursor is a small blinking line on the monitor that we saw right now of a computer that shows the position of the next letter. So what we'll type now, it will be shown there, right? Like suppose I'll show you one more example. So suppose I am writing A B C D. Okay, so I wrote A B C D. So my cursor is right after D right now. You can see that my cursor is right after D right now, right? But you can also move these cursors with the help of the cursor key. Okay, that is what we are gonna learn. Like, this is not a keyboard, but still I can, you know, show you how to do it. Like, you know, I can do it manually. I'll just drag it here. So right now it's here. I can drag it here. So right now it's between B and C. So this is what your cursor key will do. Okay, so that is how a cursor looks like, and with the help of these keys, okay, with the help of these keys, up arrow, down arrow, right arrow and left arrow, we can move our cursor up, down, left, right, wherever we want. Okay, the cursor control keys are also called arrow keys. So these are also called arrow keys. Fine. A cursor can be moved right, left, up and down, because you can see we have these four options. The arrow keys marked on the keys indicate the direction in which the cursor moves. Yes. So this is up, this is right, this is down, and this is left. Alright. So that's it for cursor control keys. Now let's come to your progress. Look at the keyboard carefully. Now answer the following questions. Now look in your books carefully, or if you have a computer at home, you can look into that carefully also. Okay, so the letter W comes just before E. Okay, the letter W. The letter dash comes just before letter V. The letter C comes just before V. The character is on the same key as number 4, so it is dollar. Okay. The letter dash comes between A and D. The letter S. Okay, and this is dollar. I don't know if I am able to draw it properly. You will draw it properly. Fine, you will write it properly. Special keys.